know that feeling when you get new parts? Feels like Christmas again. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. So it feels good to be back. Feels good to be doing something again to the car. As you can see, I got something down here. It was actually a little bit windy today. Hopefully you guys can hear me well and it's not muffled through the mic. But the snow is starting to melt. It's a little bit warm. Hopefully it can stay like this. You know, we need some warm weather. We need to bring out these cars again. And we need to do some stuff again. Really miss the car life. And yeah, okay, so let's get into today's video. What did we pick up here today? Drop your guesses right now. What do you think this is? It's for the S2000. What's in this box? Drop your guesses. But let's start today's video. I hope it's a simple install. I hope things go well. I hope this is really easy. You know, with mods, something is gonna happen, but hopefully it's good. Let's unbox this new mod right here and see what we got. On one side, so it's a box in a box. Can't complain. On this side and that side. Y'all know what it is? Alright, so let's take a look at this. Let's see what we picked up. I think it's cool. But here it is. Y'all see this? Pull it out for y'all. Y'all can see this? Let's bring it up close. Ooh, man. Boom. So here it is. This is what I picked up. As you can see, we got some new taillights for the S2000. Okay, so as you can see, this right here is the AP2 style taillights. Let me talk a little bit about this mod. So this is actually like an eBay special for S2000s. This is a replica AP2 taillight. The good thing about this light, it was a good price, and two, it's fully LED. So yes, I picked up my new eBay mod. I impulsively bought this. I was searching out for taillights. Found a good deal on this. I was like, why not? Let's pull the trigger, let's try it out. I've always been a fan of the AP2, and I also wanted LEDs. Like these AP1s, they look classic, but at the same time they kind of look too old. They look dated. So this looks a little bit better. But honestly, my dream taillights for this car would be car shop glow, but we don't got that big baller money yet, so this will do. I love the look of the AP2. Let's try and install it. I hope it's easy. Should be a bolt-on, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so we pop open the trunk. Look what we got here. So it's kind of a mess in here. During the winter, one of my goals was to clean up the trunk. So I already took it apart. Get everything off. You see there's a lot of, it's kind of dirty in here. Like there's a mess everywhere. Lots of wires. There used to be subs in here apparently. I'm gonna look into it, but definitely want to clean this place up. So if I'm able to get rid of these wires and I don't need them anymore, as you can see it's like dangling, I will delete them and make some room for other things, you know. But because I was cleaning up the trunk, I'm already prepped, ready to take off the old taillights. Look at all the room. Let's do it and let's see how it looks. So just like that, as you can see, literally 3 bolts, unplug the harness, the old light comes out. Now I can put the new one. So like I said, it should be easy. Slap it in and we'll see how it looks. Kind of nervous looking at this car underneath, but I think the previous owners used like Port 15 so it doesn't rust. Looks pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. There is some surface rust in there, but that's light work. Looks good. Don't mind this freaking guy who hit me.
5 minutes later.
So far, the new taillight is bolted up. Not wired in yet, but it is bolted up. And look at this difference. Whew. So here's the AP1 taillight. Now look at this one. Sheesh. Oh my God. I don't know about you, but this looks way better. I'm actually surprised about the fitment with these eBay taillights. Look at it right here. It's not even fully bolted up and the gaps are minimal. Look at the top here. This is OEM. And I'm super surprised. It's pretty good. So I wish it wasn't dark, but I'm just gonna finish up here, probably wire it up, show you guys how it looks at night, and then we'll probably get a daytime view of when it's all finished. So stay tuned for this.
A few moments later.
Okay squad, so we're back inside here in the garage. I just finished swapping up the old taillights, all the sockets that are with the old taillights. You see the bulbs. Basically you just take the bulbs out. Wherever the bulbs are supposed to go, you plug in the LEDs, and then after you plug back the harness into the same sockets for the bulb. So it's just literally a swap over. I'm all done. Let's see if it works. Alright, so let's close the trunk. Time to test this out, see if it works. Moment of truth. Flip these on. Oh yeah, I'll see the light. See, look at that. Non-LED. Look at the LED one. Yo, this is mad fire. Ooh, I like it. I like it already. Not fire. So next we gotta try the signals. Oh yeah, y'all see the difference. Look at this one. Horrible. LED. Ah, that's fire. So clean, bro. I'm excited, I'm amped. So it looks like one side is already done. I just gotta do the other side, swap it in, and we're good to go. Let's get some night shots of these new taillights. I'm actually amped. They look so good, they're pretty fire. Let's finish it up. So I'm finally done. Both eBay AP2 taillights are finally on. Time to take the car outside. Let's see how it looks. I'm excited, man. Let's open up the garage. Start this car up. We're gonna pop the lights on. Y'all ready? Sheesh. Look at these tail lights, man. It's so bright. I really like it, the LEDs. Let me help you guys out. Darken the exposure. Look at the tail lights.
3 days later.
Alright, finally some daylight. It's been a few days since the last clip you saw. We did get hit with a little snowstorm, but now we good. I didn't really get a chance to look at these taillights in the daytime. Let's open the garage right now. I don't think y'all are ready. Oof, the S2K looks mad clean now. I'm really loving this upgrade. Ooh man, this looks so good. Let's pull up the car. So that's a wrap for today. There you have it, the eBay AP2 taillights for the S2000. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. The only two things I gotta watch out for is, some people say like in the past water used to get into these taillights since they're, you know, eBay. And then another thing, you see the red reflector inside the signal. Over time, apparently the glue can start to loosen and then the red ring will fall out and just hang inside the taillight. So hopefully none of these things happen to me. But yeah, it looks good. I love it. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Please help share the content. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to build your vision, as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.